Welcome to Aon Product Pick, your hub for the best camera reviews, gear breakdowns, and photography insights. In today's video, we're exploring the top 5 best Leica M12 cameras in 2025, a lineup that combines timeless design with modern innovation. Leica has always been about precision, craftsmanship, and that legendary image quality, and the new M12 series takes it to the next level. From advanced sensors to sleek builds and unmatched color science, these cameras are designed for photographers who demand nothing but the best. Whether you're a professional shooter, a collector, or just a true Leica fan, this list will help you discover the finest M12 options available this year. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's dive into the top Leica M12 cameras of 2025. Number 5, Leica Deluxe 8. The Leica Deluxe 8 continues Leica's tradition of blending premium design with powerful performance in a compact form. Featuring a large 4/3 sensor and a fast Leica DC Vario Summilux lens, this camera delivers stunning image quality with beautiful color science and sharp detail, even in low light. Its minimalist design and intuitive controls make it a perfect choice for photographers who want professional-level results without the bulk of a full-sized camera system. On top of that, the Deluxe 8 brings modern upgrades like enhanced connectivity, a crisp high-resolution EVF, and 4K video recording, making it not just a stills camera, but also a versatile tool for content creators. Whether you're shooting street photography, travel moments, or creative video projects, the Leica Deluxe 8 strikes a balance between portability and performance that's hard to beat. Number 4, Leica M11 Monochrome. The Leica M11 Monochrome is a masterpiece for photographers who live and breathe black and white imagery. With its 60-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor dedicated solely to monochrome capture, it produces images with unmatched sharpness, dynamic range, and tonal depth. Every shot feels timeless, rich in contrast with exquisite detail that goes far beyond what you'd get by simply converting color files. Combined with the classic Leica build, minimalistic controls, and the unmatched rangefinder shooting experience, this camera is clearly designed for purists who want to slow down and focus on the art of photography. Of course, this level of craftsmanship comes at a price, both in terms of cost and practicality. With no color option, it's a highly specialized tool, best suited for enthusiasts and professionals who are deeply committed to monochrome work. But for those who embrace its singular vision, the M11 Monochrome delivers an unparalleled shooting experience, blending old-world elegance with cutting-edge imaging technology. It's not just a camera, it's a creative statement. Number 3, Leica M11. The Leica M11 is a true masterpiece for photography enthusiasts who value craftsmanship and image quality above all. With its 60MP full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, it delivers incredible detail, dynamic range, and stunning colors that make every shot feel alive. Unlike most modern cameras, the M11 keeps the classic manual rangefinder design, giving photographers a tactile shooting experience that feels both timeless and precise. It's compact, beautifully built, and perfect for street, travel, or fine art photography where every frame counts. That said, the Leica M11 isn't for everyone. It's a premium camera with a premium price. Autofocus lovers may find the fully manual focus system challenging, but for purists, that's part of its charm. The new triple-resolution RAW feature adds flexibility, letting you shoot at 60MP, 36MP, or 18MP depending on your needs. Combined with excellent low-light performance and long battery life, the Leica M11 stands as one of the most luxurious yet capable cameras in 2025, offering a shooting experience unlike any other. Number 2, Leica Q3. The Leica Q3 is a stunning blend of premium craftsmanship and cutting-edge performance. Featuring a full-frame 60MP sensor, it delivers breathtaking image quality with incredible detail, sharpness, and vibrant colors. Paired with its legendary fixed 28mm f/1.7 Summilux lens, the Q3 is perfect for street photography, travel, and everyday shooting. The autofocus is much faster and more reliable than its predecessor, making it a joy to use even in fast-paced situations. Plus, with 8K video recording, improved low-light performance, and robust weather sealing, this camera feels like a true all-rounder for photographers and creators. But what really sets the Leica Q3 apart is the shooting experience itself. The design is minimal yet luxurious, with intuitive controls that give you a direct and tactile connection to your photography. The tilting LCD screen and improved EVF make composing shots more flexible, while the new wireless connectivity options ensure quick and seamless sharing. Yes, it comes at a premium price, but if you value exceptional image quality, iconic design, and a camera that inspires creativity every time you pick it up, the Leica Q3 is absolutely worth considering. Number 1, Leica SL3. The Leica SL3 is a true powerhouse for both photographers and videographers, combining Leica's iconic design with cutting-edge technology. It features a 60-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, delivering stunning detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. The color science is pure Leica, natural, vibrant, and timeless. With fast and accurate phase detection autofocus, improved subject tracking, and in-body stabilization, the SL3 is built to handle everything from fast action to cinematic shots. Its 8K video recording, professional codecs, and robust connectivity make it a versatile hybrid camera for creators who demand the very best. Beyond performance, the SL3 stands out with its premium build quality, crafted from solid metal with a weather-sealed design for durability in any condition. The EVF is one of the sharpest and most immersive in the industry, and the intuitive menu system makes it surprisingly user-friendly despite being a high-end tool. Of course, it comes with a premium price tag, but if you're after uncompromising image quality, professional features, and that distinctive Leica shooting experience, the SL3 is one of the finest full-frame mirrorless cameras available today. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.